Hello, hi, Vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Perfectly Perfect with me, Pavitra. So, in this video, we'll be discussing about chemical treatments, the types of chemical treatments available in the market, the results which you can expect out from it, pros and cons, like how to even take care of the chemically treated hair, and yeah, all this will be discussing in this video. So, let's get into the front end then. So we'll be discussing the types of chemical treatments one by one: straightening, smoothing, relaxers, keratin treatments, perming, and all this will be discussing one by one. The process which includes in straightening, smoothing, rebonding are more or less the same. Here and there a few variations. I'll be letting you all know the differences which you can expect in each process. And so yeah, first we'll be discussing what is straightening. Straightening is a chemical process, as I said, which alters the hair follicle, and out from it and out of this process, you can expect your hair to look pin straight, very straight, pin straight. And this process takes up to 5 to 6 hours, and it's preferred to get it done from a hairstylist in a salon. Now I'll explain the process. The same process applies for smoothing, rebonding, and for the keratin treatments, but the variations, but there are slightly here and there variations. So let me just explain the process. So when you just go visit a salon asking for a chemical treatment, what they do is they look at your hair and they just analyze what kind of a treatment will be best for you. Hairstylist gonna wash your hair and then blow dry it, and then once the hairstylist straighten your hair, they're gonna apply the chemical solution onto the hair. This is the solution which changes the hair structure of the hair. So this is gonna sit on your hair for some quite 15 to 20 minutes. I don't remember, but I have the experience of getting my hair straightened, smoothened, and all that. Like from past 5 years, I'm getting it done. But it's been some more than some 17-18 months I got a chemical treatment, so I just forgot like how many minutes and all that. But say like 15 to 20 minutes that is going to sit on your hair. So once that is done, they don't analyze your hair again whether it's done or not. They feel that the hair is done. Once they feel that the hair is done, the solution has been got into your hair well, so they're gonna take you for the hair wash. So again they're gonna blow dry your hair, straighten your hair, and this time apply the neutralizer. The neutralizer is onto the hair, which will help in locking new shape. So this is how the process is gonna be, and this process applies to all the chemical treatments except the perming. Results which you can expect from this chemical treatment is gonna be pin straight hair. So if you prefer your hair to look very straight, so then your ultimate choice should be going for a permanent straightening one. One thing I would like to mention here is this definitely looks very dramatic. It is not gonna look like your natural straight hair. So you can definitely look a very straight, very like people will. It will be very easy for them to get recognize that that this hair is being chemically treated. So that is how your hair is gonna look. So you can see the picture over here. So this is how the result you would be experiencing up from the permanent straight. So now let's discuss about smoothing, the duration, and the number of months it is gonna last long. Very similar to that of straightening, but one thing varies here. That is when pressure and the times or the amount of the heat goes onto the hair is gonna be very less when compared to straightening. So in smoothing, they're gonna straighten your hair, but not as much as you see it in the straightening process. So that is the main difference, which helps you to get the naturally looking straight hair. So the result which you can expect out from is naturally smooth looking straight hair. That is which you get from the smoothing. And all other things remain the same, like the duration. Even this needs like 5 to 6 hours to get the complete process done in the salon, and even this is gonna last long for 5 to 6 months. And now let's discuss about the keratin treatment. Even in this treatment, the process is gonna be very similar, but they claim it's gonna condition your hair by using the keratin, which is naturally there in your hair. That is the protein which helps your hair to look strong, silky, and all that. So they're going to use this keratin thing in this treatment to out from this you can experience a smooth, natural looking straight hair. like if this is the result which you get in smoothing process also. But if you prefer your hair needs an additional conditioning, or your hair is just lack of some proteins, or you just want to give some conditioning to your hair, need some conditioning to your hair, then definitely keratin treatment will be a best option. But here the duration is gonna be the same, but the number of months this is gonna last is gonna be lesser when compared to the straightening and the smoothing process. This is gonna last only for some 3 to 4 months. This is all some approximate duration timing, guys. But the ultimate thing is, for some people this might even last for some more than 7-8 months also. I'm not talking about the keratin treatment, I'm talking about the straightening or the smoothing one. But for some it will just last only for some 4 to 5 months, because for every person the way the hair grows is not the same, and the way they wash it all depends on the number of times you wash your hair, and the amount of your hair growth also. For some people naturally they'll be blessed with a good amount of hair growth, where they can experience the growth very quickly. But for some people the growth actually takes some time. So all the main reasons for the chemical treatments to long last. There is another process known as relaxers, where even out from this you can experience natural looking straight hair. But the process here is gonna be a different. Relaxers kits are also available, you can get it done by yourself. The process is, so the hairstylist gonna section your hair and then apply the relaxers onto the hair. That is the solution. They're gonna apply this onto your hair, and the solution just goes some 2 to 3 times onto the hair, and then they take you for the rinsing part. When they rinse and take all this chemical thing out from your hair, and then the shampooing is done. And once your hair is shampooed and is all wet, this wet hair is just set with the help of rollers, and you're gonna sit under the dryer for around for an hour, or for like 45 minutes, for an hour or something, or until it gets completely warmed or dried. So it all depends on the hairstylist. And so once this is done, so they're going to remove the roller out from the hair, and they're going to set it with a blow dryer. So here the process ends. So this is how the relaxer process varies from all other chemical treatments which we have seen so far. And this treatment also long lasts for some 4 to 6 months, or until your new hair growth starts. And yeah. And now let's discuss about the perming. There are two ways where you can get your hair permed. One is the heat approach, where they use the heated rods, and in the cold approach. And in this cold approach, they don't want to use heat, and it is less and it just causes less damage to your hair when we compare to the heated approach. So basically there are two ways for your hair to get permed. That is the heat approach, and another one is the cold approach. And now let's discuss about some few pros and cons which you can expect out from this chemical treatment. So first let's discuss about the positive side, that is the pros. So you can expect the hair the way you want it to look like if you prefer your hair to be like pin straight, then definitely you will be getting the result. And if you prefer your hair to look naturally straight, and that also you will be achieving it. Or you prefer or you wanted your hair to look curly, or curls only in the ends of your hair, all this can be achieved with the help of this chemical treatment. So that is definitely a plus point. And the amount of time you invest in grooming is gonna be comparatively very less when you get the chemical treatment done. And now let's discuss about the cons. Now all these chemical treatments are a bit pricey. Depending on the length of the hair, they're gonna charge. If you have got your hair something around here, then they're gonna charge around some 3 or something. And if you've got until your mid-length hair, then definitely they'll be charged around some 6 or 7 on including on all those taxation thing and all. And if you've got something like my kind of a hair where lengthy long hair, then definitely you have to be spending around some 8-9K. And they'll be suggesting you to use suggested products only, that is the shampoo or the conditioner or the mask. There are some products which has been especially manufactured for the chemically treated hair, so definitely it is recommended to use all these products to maintain your hairs. And so by using all those suggested products, you can maintain your hair well, and the shine and the straight or the curl which you have been achieved out from the chemical process, that is gonna long last for more time when comparatively when you don't use this kind of product and then you just use a normal shampoo or a conditioner stuff. So this is the con, and this is the one more and this is the one more point in this. And all this and again coming to the pricing thing, all these products are not very cheap, very affordable. They have the mask and all those stuffs. And your hairstylist will be recommending you to be going for hair spas every now and then, but I would totally recommend you guys to go for a hair spa like once in 2 months, because if you keep getting it done like 15 days once or once in a month, even that is also made out of chemicals, right? That is also eventually not gonna do something good to your hair, or which is gonna damage, or sometimes which can even be the cause for your hair fall. So I would personally recommend for you people to get it done like once in 2 months or something.